As I mentioned, we will be using Flipgrid, Google Survey Sheets, which you just click on and it takes you to the survey. But the last interactive resource we will use is Padlet. When you click on the Padlet link, this is the page that will pop up. You'll see a brief description up here, which I have curated all the tools that I find useful for myself when I'm creating my bilingual story time. Once you can click on any of the links and it'll take you exactly to what the little icon was for. You can download, you can open in a new window, or you can view it as a full post. I've included a Netflix how to change your audio and subtitles. I've included Google Translate and several other language apps that you can use to help you practice your Spanish, as well as just to further your Spanish studies. I've also included a like or dislike function so that it can be voted. The more apps that people find useful, the further up they'll move, and the least useful, or the ones that are kind of hard to navigate, will go down below. I've also added the comment feature so that you guys can comment on whether you found these to be useful, what your favorite part of using these apps, maybe if you have an anecdote or a funny story, or if there's something that you think we should change, or some other resources that we can add.